Here on the left-hand side, click on the Grab Now button right underneath the Google Map Data Extractor section. A new window will pop up. Here click on the Start button and enter any term you want to search and get result automatically by just one click. Like I am going to search mini-marts in Ohio. Click on Add button and after that click on the Search button. What happens next will amaze you. It will automatically takes you on your Google search bar and automatically searches the term you just typed there on the software. And as you can see, all of the searches related to your specific keywords, that was mini-marts in Ohio. And now it's showing me all of the mini-marts that exists in Ohio. Now on our software we will move to our step number 2. Check the Grab email inbox. And after that, click on Start Grabbing button. What it will do, it's now grabbing the information of all the mini-marts that are in Ohio, like contact number, rating, category, website of these mini-marts. Wait until the process reached at 100%. After the process is done, now you can either import this data to other platform or you can just click on Export, and it will automatically download it onto your desktop in Excel sheet format. Now if I open this Excel sheet, and there you can see all of the information or data that it grabbed from us online. You can see that it scraps all the information regarding possibly all of the mini-marts that exists in Ohio and saves us many hours of work. Isn't it just amazing, right? Go to our website by clicking the link down below in the description, and scroll through our website and explore what our software is capable of. Go all the way down until you see our packages. You can get the basic package in $9.99 for 7 days. Or you can grab the Pro plan in just $49.99 for the lifetime. Meaning that you just need to spend one time and get our software for rest of your life. Isn't it just amazingly cheap? Thank you for watching our today's video. I hope you like this simple and amazing automation process. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more amazing videos like that you just watched.